Hello and welcome to SharePoint Fest Seattle. My name is Brian Alderman and I'm excited to be spending an entire day with you on August 19th, Monday, August 19th. Be sure you write that down, register, and get into my workshop before it sells out. We are going to spend an entire day and I'm going to teach you how to become a SharePoint Online Admin expert. We're going to look at managing SharePoint Online, not only from the GUI, both in the classic and the modern interface of the SharePoint Online Admin Center, but also from PowerShell. We're going to look at things like configuring the site collections, configuring the user profile service, configuring search, and we're going to be looking at how to create a structured taxonomy. In addition, when you leave there, you're going to have your own tenant to work with for several days after the workshop, several days after the conference, which will give you a playground for you to test everything that we learned throughout the workshop. We'll see you in Seattle, and this is going to be yet another iconic SharePoint Fest conference.